If you don't take the plastic off, it's edible.
No.
Oh, you're so sweet. She's sharing with me.
Hello, I forgot
Thank
pala
you.
to I forgot yung para sa hair ko mamaya.
Thank you for sharing.
We are
Oh,
live! We are live here in Biminis. It's Tuesday. Oyster Day. Ayan, Bunso, Ariel, Baby, Ninang, and Haniban. Ayan, Nancy, Manning, hello. So guys, alam nyo ba, dito sa aming, malapit lang to sa bahay namin. So, ano ang laman ng aking Chanel? Wait lang ha, wait. Lagay natin dito. Sige. Ano ang laman ng aking Chanel na paper bag?
My premium.
What's that?
That's huge.
Ready na ba kayo? So ayan, anong laman? First, yung turon kanina. Oh, ayan.
Order?
Nag-ano lang ako, na content lang. Ayan.
May cheese?
Wala. Ito talaga, no? Kasi nagdaan cheese. Suka, pinakurat.
Don't tell
Of
me right.
course, hindi natin mawalan ang sili. At of course, kasi kailangan
Uy,
may
rice yan?
option ang mga tao, regular suka. Tara.
Talaga?
May ganun talaga. Regular suka. May ganun talaga. Tapos sosyalan ang ating bag. Buti na lang hindi ako nagdala ng rice. Hindi ako nagdala ng rice kasi nag-ano sila, nag-diet, chubagas. Oh, kailan? Naku, next week mag-beach kayo? Saan?
Sa birthday lang.
Okay.
Sa Charles Day.
Okay na yan.
Weekdays, not weekend. Weekdays na.
Weekends?
Weekdays ang off mo.
Ngayong weekend, off niya.
Hindi, ano
Tapos
tayo?
ang ganda dito, no?
Tuesday, Friday.
Para rin kami nasa beach.
Work ako ng
Ayan.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 3 days tayo mag-beach?
May lumpia. Hindi po yan lumpia. Meron pa pala din. Aside from that, si Bunso din nagdala ng cassava cake. O, diba? Before, nadala ko ng rice. Ngayon, wala na. Sharon Sanchez, hello. Evangeline Marudo. May lumpia. Hindi po, turon. Sweet potato turon. Pa-shoutout po kay Mayeng. Tanungin mo na lang kung sino siya. PJV Mandal. Hello, Mayeng. Si PJV Mandal. Oh, really? Sige. Say hi ka. Nakatutok sa'yo. Sige. I-shoutout mo si PJ Mandal. Joer. Ayan si baby. Hi! At saka si baby din dito, si Bunso, Ayan. Nag-hi din si Bunso. Si Ninang. Hi, Ninang. Mag-entry pa ako, mag-content pa ako. Si Ninang, Ninang ko ba talaga? Mochino. Ayan. Nandito kami sa Oyster Restaurant kasi yung lola nyo, matipid. So, hindi kumakain ng oyster pag hindi Tuesday kasi 50 cents ang isa ng oysters. Or else, $1 yung isang oyster. So, at least ngayon, ang $1 ko, dalawa yung oyster ang aking kakainin. Ayan. Si Nathan and si Ivory nasa lola niya, si Ivory naman nasa kuya niya, nasa bahay. Sharon Sanchez, Monica Carr, hello ma'am ganda, Maribelo, watching from Spokane, Washington. Thank you for joining. Makanuson. Anong Makanuson? PJ. Ayan. Ivan Capada. Shoutout from Kuwait. Hello sa inyo. Hurem Hatong. Pa-shoutout from Cagayan de Oro.
Mahulog ka dito.
Leoneda Aquarius Barba. Hello, Miss Gretchen.
Hindi, maglablab ka dito.
Sino pa to? Leoneda Dios Nilo. Maghihintay tayo. Naghihintay tayo sa ating oysters. Basa-basa muna ako, no? Kasi hindi ako nakabasa kanina sa vlog ko. Kasi na-busy. So, mag-shoutout muna tayo. Christy Piligon Martinez, hello pa, mabasa na Jude. Na lang akong No, I'm not going to. I'm just gonna show them and then I'm gonna be off.
I'd be like, I
He's
hope not.
afraid I'm gonna do it while eating.
Just get here.
Yeah. Aning Galido, Miss Joy. Ang ganda mo po. Thank you. Rowie Dila. Hoy, ano pala, shout out pala kay Melody Ruth in Chattanooga sa outfit ko.
So is that even a question? Is that even
For my outfit. Ayan, thank you, Bi, sa aking outfit. Ay, naku, charang. So, ayan. Thank you, baby. Thank you, Melody Ruth, sa aking outfit. Hinarbat ko sa kanya to. Ayan. Jocelyn Civiliano, watching from Belgium. Hello sa inyo. Hello 204 viewers. Maghintay tayo sa ating oysters, no? Ayan. Hazel Erecta, MG Princess Claire, from Singapore, Ligaya Barimbao. Core Ina, you're really pretty. Thank you. Watching it there from Mantikao. Lorna Bian. Hi, Lorna. Your husband handsome. Yes, he is. Ngayon, nagalit yan siya kasi ano daw, inattack ko na siya.
Alright.
Oh, there you go. Ayan. Pakita natin, i-turn around natin ang ating camera. Wow! Ayan na, oh, di ba? Bakit palang blurry yung aking camera sa labas? No? Wait lang ha.
Sarap.
Oh, ayan. Ang ating... Ayan, oysters. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Yan ang raw.
Thank you, bro.
Yan ang raw. Ayan. Ayaw mo yan? Ikaw lang kakain yan. Wow, look at this. It's...
Pwede mo pa magpa-take off.
Eh, hindi ko alam. Pag ano, oh. Oh, pwede. Tawag nito. Oh, pwede. Eh, ano natin? Tapos ikaw na mag-open or i-open ako muna? Yung na-take out. So, ayan, ang ganda. Oh, yeah, pwede. Tanong na. Ayan. So, ayan. So, thank you so much, Ruth Melody, sa aking dress. Or two kasi siya. Two sets kung siya. So, mag-ano ako.
Thank you.
So, itry natin. Nag-order kami ng, ng raw at saka steam. Bilet. Sino ba to? Sarap naman with friends. Thank you. Wala kang extra hair thingy, be? Oh, hindi ka pa kakain. Hindi pa siya kakain. Hindi pa siya kakain. So, kailangan ko ng suka. Oh, ayan, magsusuka tayo. Sino ba itong marami? Osliok na din, good evening.
Horseradish?
Can I get another one of this, please?
Yeah, Dr. Pepper.
Sakit siya.
Oh, and also that's $3
Woo! That's awesome. He hooked us up. Binigyan, 3 dozen ang binigay. He hooked us up. Ba, hindi na yan.
Darian, you will not take this one?
Why not?
Edi uwi ko.
This
So,
is just
paano
something
po
average.
kung... Hello, 329 viewers.
For what?
Ayan, hindi siya kumakain nito, pero sinamahan niya ako.
I'm always on.
Aphrodisiac.
That's all her.
So, ginaganito ko siya, winawash
She's
ko
like,
muna
"What's
siya.
I hope nobody heard that.
Tapos, gusto mo, te? I-wash ko. I-wash lang siya para hindi yung slimy matanggal siya.
Sure.
Oo nga. Kasi ayoko yung slimy.
Don't make it weird. Joel.
Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng, gusto ko yung tabasco. May open na tabasco. So, ayan ang aking. So, this is how I eat my talaba fresh. Tapos, ayan.
So, unang kain. Ano?
So, ilagay ko siya dito.
Kain. Oh, nag-breakfast ako ng
Ayan. Ready?
dried fish. At saka dried fish at saka seafood galore pala tayo.
Mmm. Ang sarap.
You got a poker face right?
So, this is our breakfast. and lunch.
No, it's not that one.
Tapos, I'm gonna rape my husband later. Charot.
Ah! Sounds good.
I didn't hear.
Gusto lang niya ulitin.
You don't
So,
want
ayan.
that in your hands or your mouth.
Ayan. Mmm. He likes, chicken fingers. Nag-order siya ng chicken fingers. I-try ko. Ang sarap. Fresh na fresh siya. Tuesday lang kami kumakain kasi tawag nito, mahal. Ang laki ng kain namin. But binigyan kami friend kasi niya yung waiter namin.
Taking my nose.
No, it's hot. It's hot. Tingnan mo ito ng pagkain niya. Chicken finger. Ang
So chicken finger yung kainin niya. Nakatakan. So ganyan ako, nagdadala ako. Wala kasi silang suka dito.
Pwede pa sa akin kapag nag-rebels dito.
Oh yeah.
Wala mo.
Of course.
Ngayain naman.
Tapos ganyan.
Uy, ice.
Chicken feet po yata, miss.
Want another cracker?
No, tatakbo na si jowa ko. Mahal ko.
Sure.
Pwede bang i-crush si husband mo? Of course, madam. I-crush mo
Ano daw?
siya. Pwede ko bang i-crush ang husband mo? Nagpaalam. Basta mag-supporter kayo ng $4.99.
Diane, she's selling you.
I'm selling you for $4.99 a month. You can crush my husband.
They can do what?
Said, can I make crush on your husband? It's okay. Sarap pala. Yeah.
Someone is asking me if they have a crush on you. Am I allowed to have a crush on your husband? You understand now? No? Like,
Is it in
Admire.
English?
admire.
What's admire mean?
Whatever. I'm gonna kill him. Binibenta, oo. Heck! Pera na ako. May ganun ba?
Pwede ka mag-mine.
Mag-mine na kayo. Habang maaga pa.
Screenshot.
Screenshot na.
Done.
Ay, ang sarap you guys.
Dito, Jay, screenshot. Screenshot.
Follow me on OnlyFans.
Ano daw? What?
Said follow me on OnlyFans.
Nasaan yung rice? Nag-order kami ng rice. Masarap yung rice eh. Hala. Ang sarap. Mine, madam. Joy for 1 second. That's it?
Grabe. Hapon pa tayo nito.
Ang sarap. Kaya ayan. Pagpunta kayo, if nasa US kayo, pagpunta kayo ng yung mga restaurant dito, dala kayo ng suka. Kasi wala eh. Hi, Idol. Pa-shout naman po. Sarap niya. Talabadahan lang, Idol. Baka
Smarter
maka-high
than
blood ka. Putok batok yan.
Sweet.
Putok batok.
Loves 11 when she was a baby though. She's like doesn't make faces at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Did you want some of my French fries?
Probably.
She'll eat fish.
Show it everything.
I'd rather have her
Ikaw ba first wife? Hindi po.
Dami pa lang tayo.
The only wife. Kabit lang ako.
Ano daw?
Am I the first wife? Hindi po. Inagaw ko yan.
ginamit ang kamandag.
Nag-smile lang ako one time. Nag-divorce na agad.
Automatic.
Hindi po. Hindi. Hello, 597 viewers. 500 na pa talaga. Ayan. Are you eating it raw or steam? Raw po, Amy Davis. I have already Madam Joy, Maris Pablo. You can dagdag. It's okay. Charot. Nasa South Carolina. May kapatid ba yung husband mo? Meron po, Ingrid Villaruel. Nag-iisang kapatid pero hindi yata mahilig. Or na-phobia pala. Nagka-girlfriend ng Pinay yung kapatid niya pero psycho daw yung babae.
Lahat naman eh. Lahat naman
Pero may pagka-psycho naman talaga tayo mga Pilipina. Oo.
Bakit wala ko sa live? Bakit kita yung live?
Hindi ka kasi notification eh. Hindi ba ko na-follow?
The big dog.
The steam is coming. The steam oyster. This is raw I'm eating right now. Banan ni mo, oo.
Here, you can put it.
Thank you. Oh, may rice na ako. Iba lang na. Ba't iba na yung rice nila? Ang sarap.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow, that's
You got
beautiful.
food, yeah. Dang, that's
She has some real food.
Maybe I'll order that next time.
Yeah, look. Say hi, Taytong. I'm eating. Ayan, grabe. Ayan, oh, nainit. Woo! Right here. Over there. Ayan. Yan ang steam. Ate, re-rice. Siya pala. Buti lang, hindi ka nag-order ng rice, te, kasi marami eh. Yeah. Karen, hali, kain tayo. Oh, more.
My goodness, who's eating?
Here. Aray. Just me and Ninang. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Oh, meron pa dito. How to be you? Where?
That's in the orange bucket.
This?
Yeah.
Ano ba to?
Now put the oysters.
Eh! Meron ano?
Now put those oysters over there.
Ayan.
I do. Yeah, please.
I want it here. You don't want it here, baby?
No, it smells fancy.
Ayaw niya yung smell. Arte naman na ito. Buti lang medyo may hitsura. may space ka
Nice
na.
and limited. She's like, what are you doing with my food?
Gusto ko i-try.
May I have a paper towel?
No. You're so arte. Thank you, Beth.
Buti na lang gwapo.
May I have a paper towel?
Buti na lang gwapo.
Broccoli.
Maarte yung asawa ko. Buti na lang may itsura konti. Hindi ako mabubwisit. Ito, raw pa rin ito kinain ko.
I feel like I didn't order enough. Insane.
At least you guys a bucket.
Yeah, we're gonna need that.
Ayan.
Here, what page are you?
Hello, 686 viewers. Ang galing naman. Join tayo. Kain tayo. Kain tayo
We
na.
did need that bigger table. But
We didn't need a bigger table. So, ayan. Aray. Yung buhok ko, bahala na kayo.
Want soup?
Mm. Yun na. Nakalimutan ko pala yung gloves ko. Protection. Maganda pumunta dito pag maaga. Hello, 710 viewers.
Akala ko
Ayan.
pang hapon yun.
hey, hey, hey.
So, ayan. Steam naman ito.
No. Yeah.
Steam naman itong aking, ano. Tapos, I like it to dip in butter. Ayan. Ooh. Mm. So satisfying.
Hey Tommy, you got 720 people watching. You want to say hey?
Mal-
I have 45,000 views in an hour.
See, this is our best, what do you call it? Our, waiter. Ano siya, kababata siya ng aking asawa. Sana ganyan rin kagwapo maging asawa ko. Oh, kailangan niyo din ng dasal at saka mga taimtim na dasal.
Kaligo na rin. Sarap.
At saka ligo na rin, konti, no? Para extrahan na. Nga ganon. Yeah. Na-crazy, naka-timing. O, ganun, di ba? Hello, 778 viewers. Ang galing naman ninyo. O, ayan. Gising pa. Maraming gising, Maraming nakaabang. Charot. Ayoko nang umalis. Di kaya mo, butiliya mo tiyan dyan. Naku, malaki ang kain ko, be. Parang extended na yung aking tiyan. May extended. So, ayan, butter ang dinidip. Tapos, lagyan ko nito.
Grabe, parang nasa Martsa lang tayo.
Mm. Mm.
You guys are going straight home to your husbands after this, right? You guys are going straight home to your husbands after this,
Ang
right?
sarap.
I don't know that.
You ordered. She told me it makes you.
I did not know that.
Mukbang.
What Anna said.
Virginia Guzman, mukbang. Baby, they said next time we'll do mukbang and question and answer. I ask you a question, you answer.
You asked me a question, right?
You answer?
Are you guys trying to get me killed?
Or you ask me a question, and answer, whichever.
No.
You will have this?
Ang dami pa. Hello, 785 viewers. Thank you guys for joining us. Ang dami ko na nakain.
Oh, lagat ito.
What? What's up?
Napaka-satisfying.
Okay lang.
Jarky, very, panotice mom and message ko, very pretty you and your husband, very handsome, your kids are very God bless. Thank you, madam. Sino ba to? Sabi dito, si Rose. Rose Abinido, ang laki ng kain mo, Dam Joy, pero bakit sexy ka pa rin?
My bad, Anna.
Sorry, Ninang.
Zero din ng
Ninang kakaro.
Showy.
Ariel, man. Ketchup, please.
Showy pala yun.
Thank you.
Showy.
Oh, look, I have 2 bottles.
Do you have
You were
anxiety
wondering,
too?
too. I saw it on your face. I was like, maybe I have ketchup because
I don't know the extra.
Nina is having anxiety.
I needed this ketchup right here.
Ang cute naman. Showy. Showy Ninang.
Showy, Ninang. You wanna try this?
Meron pa ba yung tatay, sis? Andrea Lozano. May nagtanong dito, someone is asking over here, do you have a brother? I said, yeah, but hindi na mahilig with ano, meron pa ba yung tatay? Tatay na lang akin. Do you have a, no, unfortunately, ayoko siyang tanong kasi patay na yung tatay
Eh,
niya.
meron siyang uncle.
Meron
May
siya
single.
uncle. Oh, single yung uncle ni Darian. Single yung
Matangkad din
uncle.
yun, matangkad. Anong
Pero para yung higante, 6'8", 6'9", parang higante. Tapos mataba pa. Baka hindi kayo makahinga, ihag lang kayo.
Si Joshua, grabe ka naman.
Mataba kaya yung tinamtiyan.
Pero matangkad lang, okay lang naman.
Oo nga. Nag-ano na ako. Marami daw nanonood pagkasama ko jowa ko.
French fries? No. And then what you want? Can you behave? I'm gonna hang you over there. I'm gonna hang you in the seat. Oh! Please do.
Darian, you look like a comedy action movie star. Darian. Comedy action.
Comedy action?
Comedy action, ano.
What's the comedy?
Meron nang nag-mind sa uncle mo, Darian. Someone said, mine uncle.
Eh, nasa motor. Saan ka mag-vlog din?
So, ayan. Hello sa ating 755 viewers. Welcome to our live. Ayan. Di pa ako tapos.
No, no, no. No, no, no.
Aray. Tapos ka na, Ninang?
Masarap na ang fresh.
Oh, parang bet ko ang fresh today.
Sarap ang fresh oil.
Pero sarap. Masyado kasi na-steam ata.
So, chewy na siya. Naging chewy?
I like it kapag ginigrill ako.
Oo.
Yung half. Matrabaho din kaya. Satisfied talaga ako for now.
Satisfied. Satisfied guaranteed talaga.
Spicy and not spicy.
Para din kaming nasa dagat lang. It feels like we're just in the
Mahulog yan.
dagat.
Sa beach. Papa, Miami.
Hindi, Pampano Beach, malapit sa Fort Lauderdale.
Sweetie, hey, you want to come over here?
Sa pelikulang pahiram ng isang gabi. Grabe.
Or you want to hide?
Go get juice and juice.
We can do both.
Ang pogi.
You wanna go to there?
Evangeline sa Kanindoy. Mine, ang akin na lang yung uncle. Madali ako magmahal. Handle.
Go get your shoes on.
May nagmay na kay George.
Hindi ka alam ba ito ni George?
Parang hindi naman yun marunong mag-kiyod, oy. Hindi ko alam, hindi yun. Parang hindi talaga. Did you ever, ano, na, yan? Baka manood si Barbara nito ba?
Oh, I got it. I just killed it. Good.
Or you want more than fish?
I still have 4 pieces of chicken. I would love it, but I can't eat both. Don't worry though, Joy. At the bottomless pit.
Grab it out.
Hindi, not all kasi baka nahiya ako konti. Charot.
Alright, fine. Everybody on Facebook wants me, so if you don't want to sit with me, I'm okay. Hurt my feelings. The only person.
I love you too.
Yes, mahal kita.
Yuto ka ba lumukiyot mo yung uncle? Wow.
Okay. Oh yeah. You guys good? Ariel, good? Joy?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm
look
full
at it.
already.
There's a whole other dozen over there. You guys ordered everything in the kitchen.
Marami palang Bisaya dito.
Hi Thomas, what do you have in the kitchen? We'll take that.
All of it. Bring it on. We will eat that.
Well, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten.
You are allowed to.
Yeah.
You've been through a lot. You can eat whatever you want.
You've been through a lot daw,
The
be.
rest of it, what's his name?
Look at my additions to my family.
Oh, you bought the folded stuff.
It's not a baby, but you
I'm gonna get one for both those. And
That looks like a
that's
baby.
AR-AK hybrid. I don't know much about it, but a friend,
7.62?
like 31,
Here,
39,
Sunday.
whichever.
Is that it all of that?
39.
Yeah, probably so.
Grabe ka naman, mag-order
I
yun.
don't know much
Pwede namang
about
share.
it,
It's
but
pretty, man.
all I got is
Ingon
that
ko
one
ba
clip,
nga,
and
dito
I
ka wala
gotta
mo
find
kiyon. Sabi,
more
pwede
clips.
namang turuan ng...
We got a 9mm AR-15.
Pwede daw turuan mo kiyon. Makakiyon yun.
We
Parang nakikita ko na kay Kayla sa bana mo. I miss Kayla. Saan kasama mo ulit siya sa vlog. Tuduan ako. Si Jasmine, si Banag. Mutudlo, gini ay. Talagang ano talaga. Sino pa ba? Nakagutom, Ma'am Joy, Anma. It looks like Ayan. Then, do you know Ayan Veneracion? Paano kayo nakakilala ng house mo? Napipi sila sa uncle, Miss Joy, ang laking tao. Sino nakakita sa uncle ko? Sa uncle ni Darian?
It's like that, but it's with a longer barrel.
Yeah.
Is there Wi-Fi password?
Yes, 1,000.
1,000?
1,000 oysters with a capital O.
There it is, look.
Yeah. Ayan, Veneracion, Andre Lozano, hindi ko alam. Asa man yung mga anak, madam? Nasa iyahang brother o sa iyang lola.
A folding stock too.
Baka available pa yung kababata ng asawa mo.
With a 30-round block.
Baka available na to si Thomas.
Well, the thing is,
Oh, he is available actually. Oo.
that's the two main.
Thomas, are you available?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah! See, he's available, you guys. Someone said mine, please.
Amen add then.
Emil ad,
I've got like 1,000 rounds.
Oo, meron. Meron din nito marami siguro. Siguro i-ano kayo, ilusong ko kayo dito sa sa bar para
I need.
no 1,000.
You got 9mm?
Ah,
Probably a couple thousand rounds, probably.
I need to get some of that.
One, two, three.
Because I got a Springfield Hellcat, and I've only got a couple boxes.
All right, let me know.
mine. Mine si Thomas. Baka may uncle pa siya. Pakilala mo ako, mine Thomas. Why?
What do you have to eat?
I'm done.
No, you got a whole nother dozen.
Oh, ayan. Sige, thank you guys for sharing and thank you guys for joining us today. Ayan, ako'y gugora na kasi mag-spend time. Thomas, for 100 pesos. Journey in. Alam mo, isa mong gipangkaon diha, Miss Joy. Suki, arat na. Grace, Badila, ayan. See you guys. $5. $2. That's not even a beer here. Mine, please. Oh,
Hilarious.
there's so many miners here. Ayan. So, ayan. Mine din, mine. So, ayan. Thank you. Say bye na kayot ninang.
Bye.
Bye na si Bunso. Ayan, ang dami pa namin kainin.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's the same thing.
O parang alam niya mukiyod ito. Parang namukha nito, palaging lang nagkiyod. Kabalo na mukiyod. Jasmine Zipangan. Oh, someone said, love you, Thomas. Damn. See how easy it is there to find someone else?
I'll get on Facebook tonight.
Yeah. Diba? Layla, okay. Stay you guys. Huerta LG. Bye. Gemma, Reduta, Guapoy Mumbana. Thank you, Belinda, Jamie, Luz, Abergas. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you later in my next vlog, no? Nawala antok ko. So, ayan, thank you. Kami ay mag-finish na ng kain. Thank you, Ninang! Thank you. Ayan. Ayan, you guys. Thank you so much again. We'll see you in our next vlog. Thank you. Bye for now.